So, like most 3D printers, we have waste, poops, failures, and don't really know what to do with them. So I got a toaster oven from the thrift store, some silicone molds, and started heating them. One of them was this little silicone one. Dumped it in water to cool it off. And look at that. That's awesome. All from stuff I would have thrown away otherwise. The back is shiny. You could definitely glue these on something. Decorate stuff. Make a magnet. Who knows? Definitely gives new life to stuff that we would have thrown out otherwise.